Hello everyone, Devjyoti here from OECD.com, and today in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how you can import and export quizzes in the Tutor LMS. So let's get started. So that is my dashboard and I already integrate the Tutor LMS Pro version and I already create courses and quizzes. And this quiz import and export option is available only for the Pro version. In the free version that's not available, okay? So let me hover on the Tutor LMS Pro and let me click in the courses. Now from here let me open any course. Suppose I am opening this course. So now let me come to the curriculum and here you can see the quiz, but here you can see the import and export option is not there, only duplicate, edit and delete option is there. So let me do one thing. Again let me come back to the dashboard, hover on the Tutor LMS and from here let me click in the add-on. Now here in the Pro version you can see lot of add-on is available for the Tutor LMS. And here you can see the quiz import and export, there is an add-on, okay? So you have to enable that, and for enabling you have to click on that. So now you can see it's enabled. Now from here, after activating this add-on, let me come back here, and after that let me do one thing, refresh the page. So now after refreshing the page, here you can see this export quiz option is coming. So let me click in the export. So now in the top here you can see one CSV file get downloaded here. So let me open that. Now let me resize the column little bit. So now for understanding this Excel sheet, let me open the quiz first of all. So that is my quiz. Let me open it. So as you can see, the quiz name is General Knowledge Quiz, okay? And that is the quiz description. So if you come to this, so here you can see that is my quiz name, quiz description. After that here you can see the question and answer. Suppose that is the first question, as you can see. So that is the question. So now here you can see that is my question and that is a true or false question. So here you can see the true and false type is showing here, and here the true value indicating 1 and false value indicating 0, as you can see here, okay? So the next question is this one: how many days are there in a week? So let me open the quiz. So here you can see my second question is how many days there in a week, and total 4 value is there. Even here you can see total 4 value is displaying here, and 1 is displaying for the 7, means that is the true answer. Hope you understand the concept. And that is my third question. As you can see here also, my third question is fill in the blanks, okay? And the answer is 7, okay? So here also you can see that is fill in the blank, and here this dash is the variable, as you can see here. If I click in the edit option, here you can see this dash variable indicate the blank portion of the question, okay? And the answer is 7. Even here you can see the answer is 7, okay? So after that here you can see another question, that is also a multiple choice question. How many minutes are there in an hour? So here you can see total 4 option, and from them 1 means right answer. So the right answer is 60. Even here also you can see, if I click on that, so there is total 4 answer, and in between B is the right option, and that is 60, okay? And if I come to the settings, here you can see the time limit is 5. So here also you can see this 5 minutes indicating this quiz time limit, and after that here you can see this 0, 10, 80, 10, 0, single and random, that's mean indicating these values, like hide time I disable it, so here it's showing 0. After that here you can see attempt allowed 10, pass grade 80, maximum question allowed to answer 10. So here you can see all this value 10, 80, 10. After that this quiz auto stat I disable it, so it have to show the 0 value. As you can see here it's showing 0 value, okay? And after that this set character limit for answer short is 200, and for this one is 500. This value is also showing here. So hope you understand all the values for this CSV sheet, okay? So now let me teach you how to import the quiz. You already export the quiz. Now let me teach you how to import the quiz. So for that First of all, let me close this one. So now let me open any other course. Suppose I am opening this one. Now let me come back to the curriculum. Suppose I want to import the quiz here. Okay. So for that I have to click in this three dot, and here you can see the import quiz option is there. Click on that, and so that is my export file. Okay. So let me click on the open. So as you can see, quiz successfully integrate here. So in this way you can import the quiz. So that import and export quiz is very helpful for them who have multiple courses, and for all the courses the quiz answer and question is almost same type. So for them it's very helpful feature. If you have any kind of doubt, always you can ask me in the comment section. Hope you like this video. If you really enjoy this video, then please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because your subscription motivates me a lot to create this kind of interesting videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.